Oh my god, my phone is so wet. My head, my cap is something my water, the water looks so wet. It's raining. Oh my god, I'm so wet. Oh, my head is gonna be something for. Maybe it wasn't my head, it's gonna be. My head is so wet. Just take a little break. Maybe tomorrow's gonna be something para secar los gorros. My shoes, my socks. Look at it, something wet. Let me clean this. Gotta be something to cleaning something next time for the next week. My mom was gonna something had to gonna be in my house. Gotta something wet. I'm gonna clean them up, okay? I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll see you, Ben. This is gonna be next time, okay? So thank you very much. Oh, maybe there's gonna be Alamo Quarry Market. Another was something in places. I have a big surprise. Maybe it's the next time. I'll be thinking for else in the Regal in theaters. All right, let's do it. That was kind of clean. The mouth is in the water, the wet water. You don't want to see none of this? If you know there's gonna something happen to be something clean, there's something happen to something in the mouth. And I'm so wet. That was so really funny.
Hi, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe my on YouTube channel and ring the bell and like. Thank you so much. My name is Emmanuel Javier León and see you next time.